My name is Robinson. I am from England. I am 18 years old. My father is German and my mother is English. I have two brothers, one sister. We are a good family. My father is a good businessman. We have money, so I have a good school. He wants the best for me. I have a dream of traveling and see the world, but my dream is not his dream. He is not happy. The situation is not easy. It is morning. My father wants to speak with me. He has some questions. I go to his room. My father wants to know why I want to travel. My father says, traveling is dangerous and not comfortable. You can die. But it is also very interesting. I can see new countries, can meet new people. I think about it. I think about traveling every day. Maybe my mother can help me. I speak with my mother. I tell my mother, I want to travel. I want to see the world. Please speak with my father. Maybe with your help, I can travel. My mother loves me, but she too thinks that traveling is dangerous. She thinks that my place is at home here in England, which is the best for me. 1 year later, I visit one big town. The name of this town is Hull. I meet my new friend. His father has a ship. They travel to London. My friend tells me, go with me. I think about it. I'm not prepared, but I can try if traveling is for me. I am very happy. It is my first long journey. It is very interesting. The first hour is good, but then we have problems. We see the wind is strong. The ship goes up and down. I have fear. I think about my home. I think about my comfortable bed. The storm is finished in the morning. The weather is nice and the evening is beautiful. Everything is quiet. One man comes to me. We speak about the storm. I speak about my fear. The man gives me a drink. I drink very much. I sleep very well at night. The next day, I forgot about my home. I forgot about my comfortable bed. I dream more about traveling.